Welcome back to the Chaotic Kitchen. I'm Jenny, and today we're going to be making some enchilada dip. I'm totally teasing, but that's a great name for this. But the enchilada dip recipe I learned after my bariatric surgery. That obviously was a fail. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Failed weight loss surgery, whoopsies. But it's super easy and it's really good. So just take a pound of some lean ground beef, chuck it on the stove. One of my favorite hacks that I learned from this recipe and through the bariatric community specifically is refried beans. I do not like beans. I don't really care for them by themselves. Regular beans, like beans and chili, hate it. But refried beans, if you take like half a can to a pound of hamburger and mix it together, it boosts your fiber and the mass of the meal without adding a whole ton of calories and all that. And it's really good. So we're gonna crack this open. The meat is gonna be done in just a couple minutes. I like to cook the meat all the way through and then add the beans. I don't know if I would recommend putting the beans in with the raw meat. So okay, so enchilada sauce, I like the Old El Paso brand. I just add the tiniest little bit to the meat, just like that much or so, and then just mix that in with the meat on top of the taco seasoning. Apparently I don't have a square dish. Normally I would use square or rectangular, so we're just using this 9-inch round cake pan. Sprayed some oil on there, and then we're just gonna pour the meat mixture in. Spread it out, and then the enchilada sauce, then Fiesta blend cheese, probably like half a bag or so. Pop that in the oven at 400 for probably about like 10-15 minutes. Basically just want the cheese to melt and kind of get brown and just bubbly and delicious, since everything's already ready to eat pretty much. So that is the enchilada dip. I just threw a little bit in a bowl. The cheese didn't melt as nicely as it normally does, but either way, it's still really good. I love to just eat this as like a literal dip. You can eat it just as is with like a spoon. It's really good on just some like little tortilla chips. Like you could even like throw this in like a tortilla shell and make like a taco burrito. Just throw some like sour cream, guac, pico, like whatever you like on your tacos, or just as is as a dip. But it's amazing. I like to double it and do like 2 pounds and a whole can of beans if I'm making like a proper like party size. This is more just like for dinner, but this is perfect for parties, perfect for like a little appetizer. With football coming back in season, it's perfect for game day. Just really great little easy snacky thing, and it's high protein, good fiber, really great macros. I'll try to generally calculate them down below if I remember. Make sure to try this recipe out, come back, leave a comment, tell me how you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe, join the family for more videos like this. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.